Hey mathematicians, let's talk about how to add integers. We're going to use a strategy called integer chips. This is something you can draw or you can actually hold them in the classroom. They're usually red and yellow. All right, so let's talk about it. Opposite numbers have a sum. Remember, sum means the answer to an adding problem. A sum of 0 because they cancel each other out. They are called zero pairs since they equal 0 when you add them up. Think about it. If you get $1 plus 1 and lose $1 minus 1, you have $0. So 1 positive, 1 negative, that makes a zero pair. Let's look at it. Here's an example. I have 6 red ones. If you're holding the physical integer chips, they're usually red and yellow, red meaning negative and yellow meaning positive, and 4 positives. What is the answer to negative 6 plus 4? So watch as they create zero pairs. We have a zero pair, another zero pair. Those negatives and those positives, they're canceling each other out. Oh, wait, now I have no more yellows, no more positives. So my final answer is whatever's left over. So my final answer to 6 negatives plus 4 positives is 2. And the sign of what they are, these are red, red meaning negative, negative 2. Now, if you don't have the actual chips, here's how you can draw it. You can use little circles with plus or minus signs in them. So if I have 2 negatives, here's a negative and here's a negative, and plus 7. That 7 does not have a symbol in front of it, or you could choose to think of it as like this is the plus. But this is a positive 7. I'm going to represent positives with plus signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to create my zero pairs. A negative and a positive, plus $1, minus $1, they cancel out, and create 0. This negative and this positive, they can cancel out, bye-bye, and create 0. What am I left with? I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positives. So negative 2 plus 7 is either you're writing it as a positive with a plus sign 5 or just plain old 5 because we assume that that means a positive 5. And that's how you add integers with integer chips. So you can draw that out for the first half of your student practice.